here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make hot dogs with leftover taco meat. And the Nerdy Cookie Crafting Show have a new time and date, Wednesday, day. It's obviously a better time than Monday. So let's get started. I need for the recipe is hot hot dog, buns obviously, and taco meat. Okay, first what you do is basically turn the stove on obviously. Then wait for the cook. Also, I have a fan, so I turn it up. And wait for this heat up. And then add a little bit of oil in it. Okay, I'm gonna spread that around with a rubber spatula. Yeah, in the meantime, let me use this rubber spatula again. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna have the hot dogs. Okay, first I'm gonna get a knife and then start opening it up. Good. Not graphic. Here I cut the skin off the under on the thing. So obviously cut it like this. And hard, and then at the end of each, obviously, so you need to cut them in order to make sure the hot dog is cooked evenly. I'll do the rest too, and then come back. As you can see, I cut the hot dog. Split cuts in the hot dogs like so. Put it in. And one of them has a nice brown shape, obviously. And I just allow them to cook. Look at them. Now, put it in like. Hear that sizzle? Yes, it hurt. That's the sound of a beautiful cooked hot dog. That was sizzle Oh yeah. And before we get, I'm gonna get the taco meat and the party lot. Leftover from Taco Tuesday right now. Okay. Come on! Now this is a great recipe. Now this is in mind. Now keep in mind, it is a great recipe to use in case you have leftover taco meat. It basically used to basically help the refrigerator say and basically you make leftover dishes something great. Now I'm gonna cook this and be back with the buns. I'll be back in a little bit. As you see, I got the buns already. Put it in. This is called hard. Obviously, this is the one. So, I'll put it optional in that deep mix. And then do it by now. That's okay. Stuck together seeds. Also add the meat. And I'll put them one at a time in the buns. And now, look at top. Oh, sorry. And the top side. Now be careful, Todd. Oh, okay. Try to learn from the mistake, obviously. And my thing. That's great. And be sure to turn off the oven or stove when you're done. And there you have it. Hot dog with taco meat on it. Leftover taco meat. There are leftover taco meat. The Tuesday night, aka Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna try. So But yeah, and there you go. I make hot dog with taco meat left over from taco night, aka Taco Tuesday. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the icon for more nerdy and crafting, cooking and crafting. So, if you just check me out every Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. Till then, farewell for now, everyone. Ah, crap.